All right, Fort Amsterdam Heritage Park. I've been before, but let's revisit it. Visit it on a trip back on the 25th. It's kind of cool. Walk up here. I always like history. I've always been like back in the archives when I went to Nelson Ghost Card. That was Nelson's Ghost Card, ghost town in Nevada. Always like that. So a lot of cool forts in the Caribbean. This has been kind of stripped apart. It's too bad, but they have one in Divi Bay and what's that island? I can't remember what it's called. It's really windy, but you kind of walk up here and look around, see why the fort was up here. Northern West Basin. Fort Amsterdam. See the cans kind of up here. $16.31. Present day. 7/16. Divi additional support. I'm not stepping down there. The young man who was in before me did. I'm not stepping down there. Fort Amsterdam, here it is. You can see why their cans looking out. Highest point probably, well there's high points up there, but it's a flat area. Last I was up here, I saw some guy walking way down there, straight ahead of me, down the rocks. Just insane. Walk up on the stairs there and look out. Try to show you something there. that landing was pretty hard. We got in. We're here till next Wednesday. It's supposed to be a direct, but now it's a 4-hour layover in Holland and get back at midnight. So, hope you guys like the cars. The car show was kind of, it was okay. Birds are cruising around. Look at that thing way out there. Gonna walk into there, I guess. Pretty overgrown to try to get in there, and I'm not gonna walk through all that stuff. Not worth it. You can tell it's a big platform, kind of its own mini slab city out there. Well, I think that's California slab city, the lawless place that it is. Seen a few videos on Slab City, but with the cement they laid this probably way back when, still looks pretty good. Kind of cool, very peaceful. It's too bad they haven't tried to reconstruct it and done some with it, but you probably couldn't build any suites up here or something. But it is interesting to come out here and see history. Aruba was that town I was thinking about. That Divi's got a place here in Aruba. It's really nice. Cruising. Got the old, this is South Bastion, I guess. You're cruising. It's hot out here today. Whew. You might need a little water next time you come out here. Tell you what, if you're don't walk very well, it's not a very good place to be walking. these things. They'll leave a mark if you're not careful. You can cruise around into here and check things out, but anyways. Kind of like when we were in Arizona, those things. So anyways, we're gonna head back up, and we'll head on back. Look at those things. So all right, you guys. See you the next one. All right.